This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's try to create the trading plan for the gold market as well. I'll start from the daily time frame. Also guys, I suggest that you will read the analysis of the high time frames on the monthly time frame and weekly, because they in fact contain the foundation for the possible action during the coming month. And shortly speaking, in 2 words, market has shown the reversal swing on the weekly time frame. That's the first swing when that is greater than the previous swing down. This swing calls reversal, and the idea of foundation for the possible move to the downside is that bearish momentum on the high time frame is really solid, and it presses on the market and it just doesn't let it simply continue move to the upside. That's why in the nearest term some deep retracement is possible. So if even market will reach the 1275 area with this 618 support, that stands by the way above the daily oversold, so it's reachable. Well, that should not confuse you. So even retracement right to this area will be normal after the reversal swing. Well, there is a silence rule of thumb among the traders that when you see the reversal swing, you should buy the first ABCD down that you will get. Well, sometimes it works. In most cases it works, sometimes not, but that's just points on possible deep retracement and points on the moment that this retracement will not be curious. That is logical action. That is just how market works. That's why, keeping in mind this a bit farther perspective, we will start to talk about the short-term scenarios. And with the short-term perspective, the most informative for us is the daily time frame. So you can see that market making an attempt to start to move to the downside. And right in the beginning of the week, the first moment that we will have to keep an eye on is touching of the MACD predictor line. This moment will take the special meaning, because here we could get the bearish trap. We have talked about it on the previous weeks, since as you can see we have not quite reached the target from this great ABCD pattern. So market hasn't quite reached it for just some bucks. This is 1440 area, and the market behavior around the MACD predictor line takes the special meaning for us, because if market will form the bullish stop grabber here, that will tell us that market will return right back and hit the target. At minimum will hit the target. That in fact in the nature of the gold market. That's why I think that is not just not important. That is really could be a significant moment. This will be really the trap, and not everybody knows about that. That's why there could be some screaming around if this will really happen. And that could happen, especially if, as we know, the gold market is really kind, likes to show different wash and rinses and different traps. That's why the first object for us on the coming week will be the potential bullish stop grabber with the MACD. If this will not happen, then we will start to monitor other levels, and first one will be right here. It's the weekly pivot support one, 1378, 1372, the combination of the weekly pivot support one and nearest 3/8 support. Next level, as you can see, will be right here, daily confidence around 1335, and that's my preferable level for a potential retracement. So I prefer to see that retracement will stop here. because in this case this will look just stronger than retracement to this level, because you can see market will just retest this previous top, retest it, this confidence support, and turn to the upside. That will be just perfect if this will happen. That's why that will be the very solid level to watch for. And probably market could show the respect at this level at the first touch, the first bounce. Well, this will be a really significant level to watch for. And finally, if market will start to move down, that will be the ultimate level for the retracement, 1275. This will be a 618 major support of the whole move to the upside. I can't exclude that we could get some kind of the ABCD, for instance. Market will hit confidence support, will respect it, and shows the second CD leg right to this level. That is also possible. Whatever will happen, that is the first object for us. If market will not show us anything here, well, later we will monitor the behavior around the support levels. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, I do not see very interesting moments. All that I see is just market has passed through the lower border of the channel and now gradually stands below it, stably stands here. Trend has shifted to the bearish side, but again, all will depend on whether market will form the stop grabber on the daily time frame. If it will be formed, the market returns right back inside of this area, inside of this channel. That will tell us something, that we should be ready to move right to the 1440 area at midnight, right to this area. Well, if market will fail, as I said, we will just shift to watching of support areas and we'll start to search the possibility for short entry. Other words, we need to get the hard rock confidence that market will not get us in this potential trap and will not return right to the 1440 area before real retracement will start. I can't exclude that the market could form some kind of the double top here before retracement will start. That's also possible, especially if we will get the stop grabber on the daily time frame. Well, sometimes it happens when the market leaves some untouched significant targets behind, but guys, this happens rather rare. As a rule, market in the most cases market returns right back and hit the targets. That's why it's very dangerous constitution. It's very tricky and not simple to deal with. That's why, but it simultaneously it carries a lot of possibilities for trading. So for instance, we could get excellent trade based on the stop grabber if it will appear with the very tight stop and the real significant risk reward ratio. So could be really good, the gold mine for in the beginning of the week. Well, despite how it will turn, in fact market now carries a lot of possibilities and levels that probably could promise us a lot of potentials for trading. So let's monitor the gold market, let's see what will happen. Probably on Monday, due to the Labor Day, market will be closed or trading will be very lazy. That's why most activity we should expect on Tuesday.